Have you ever felt the rush of waking up to fresh mountain air, the soft glow of sunrise peeking through the trees, and the promise of a day filled with adventure? Camping taps into our deepest need to explore, to escape the everyday grind, and to reconnect with nature in its purest form. There's something magical about hearing nothing but the crackle of a campfire and the quiet hum of the great outdoors. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's your most unforgettable camping memory? I'd love to hear your stories. To make your next outdoor getaway smooth and stress-free, you need reliable gear. Here are 4 must-haves for any camping trip. Everbright 3-pack camping light, small, lightweight, and bright enough to illuminate your entire tent or campsite. Plus, you get 3 of them so you can place lights in different spots or share with friends. Odoland 15 pieces, camping cookware mess kit. This compact set has everything you need to cook in the wild. Pots, pans, utensils, and more, all nesting together for easy storage. Camp kitchen cooking utensil set. Travel, neatly organized in a travel bag, these utensils ensure you won't forget any key cooking tools at home. Cooking outdoors has never been simpler. Wise Owl Outfitters hammock for camping. Whether you want a comfortable place to nap or a cozy spot to stargaze, this hammock is durable, comfy, and quick to set up. These items aren't just random gear, they're your reliable companions in any campsite scenario. It's not just me saying this, people everywhere are raving about these products. Check out these comments. The Everbright lights saved us on a rainy night, stayed bright even in the downpour. With the Odoland cookware, our camp dinners felt like gourmet meals. I never thought kitchen utensils could be so organized until I tried the camp kitchen set. The Wise Owl hammock is unbelievably comfortable. I'd pick it over my bed any day. Real stories, real people, and real proof that this gear works wonders in the wild. Now let's talk about why all this matters to you. It's about comfort, convenience, and making memories. Everbright lights mean no stumbling in the dark. Odoland cookware and the utensil set let you share hearty, delicious meals under the stars. And with the Wise Owl hammock, you can kick back and absorb nature in total relaxation. Quick question for you. How would you use this gear on your next camping adventure? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're already excited. Picture this. The sun is setting, casting golden rays across the horizon, and you're gently swaying in your Wise Owl hammock, your campsite softly lit by Everbright lanterns. You're about to enjoy a meal you've prepared with ease, thanks to the Odoland cookware and the travel utensil set. Everything feels perfect. But here's the best part. There's a secret ingredient that no one ever tells you about, and it doesn't come in a box. It's the indescribable connection you form with the wilderness around you. These tools simply pave the way, helping you experience nature's mysteries without worrying about the little things. Whether you're a first-time camper or a seasoned explorer, the Everbright 3-pack camping light, Odoland 15-piece camping cookware mess kit, camp kitchen cooking utensil set travel, and Wise Owl Outfitters hammock will transform your trip into an unforgettable journey. So, are you ready to upgrade your outdoor experiences? Click that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and let's keep the adventure going. Your next camping trip starts now. Don't wait to explore all the possibilities nature has to offer.